going to take a minute to show you how to get into the forums at the mini district. It's called the cafe because it's where everybody comes together, has a cup of coffee, chit chats, all that good stuff. So when you go to the mini district, you're going to go to the minidistrict.com, and whoops, now you're on my admin page. Let's go back. When you go to the mini district, it looks like this on our website. There are two things where you can enter your information. Number one is our email list. It's what this form is, and you see it on different pages. And when you sign up for our email list, you get the email every Tuesday with what's new on the blog, any new events, anything like that going on with us. Or we might ask for your input, like maybe we need you to volunteer for something. Maybe there's something out there that you want to contribute. So that's our email list. And just because you sign up for our email list, you get a password to a page on our website called The Warehouse. It is a single password that everybody gets, and that password opens the warehouse and has all of our freebies in it. So just as a matter of explaining that, that's what the warehouse is all about. It is about being on the email list and getting in and getting lots of free downloads. Then you're actually going to create an account on our website, and that account right now lets you go into the cafe and start chatting with people. In the future, it'll be accounts for workshops, other things that we might have on the website. It'll be your personal user account. So it's your username and your password. It's just for you. So when you come over to the cafe, now I'm already logged in. I'm going to tap on cafe. It looks like this. If you've not registered an account yet, you can tap here and do that. So for instance, let me just log out so I can show you what that looks like. All right, so what I want to do when I'm in the cafe and I'm ready to register is I'm just going to tap on this register button here, and I can fill all this out. So I'm going to create a dummy account for you guys. All right, so I'm registered here. So what I can do here on this page is actually kind of modify my profile. This section is actually your account information. This is where you go in if you have a membership or a workshop or anything like that. This isn't your cafe profile area where you upload your avatar and your signature. We'll do that in a minute. So if I tap on this gear icon, I can hit edit profile. And on this page, I can put a photo up. So let me just upload a photo. I'll do my Aspen miniature one here. So a picture comes up. You can also do a header if you'd like, a cover photo. That's totally your call. It looks nice, but it's your call. I'll just do the one I use on Etsy. We're going to hit update profile. And now everything is updated here. So now I can tap on cafe and I'm logged in already. So you can see here my profile, log out. I can click on my profile account if I'd like and see some more information here. If you want to create a signature for your forum, you can do it right here. You can tell your occupation, you can put your website. If I want a default, if I want to create my own avatar, I could actually put that in here like this. So it could be a little confusing, but it's just the way the website works. And here, all this information, time zone. Time zone's nice. You can see kind of like when things were posted. If you want to change your password, you can do that here as well. So you see all this different stuff going on in here. As you post things in the cafe, you get stars added to your account, so you get to be a little bit more, a little bit more going on there. So let's talk about once we've updated everything about our information, we can tap on this little home button here. It'll take us to the forum homes, and we can see the forums, and these are forums that only registered members can actually post to. Okay, so you can actually read it if you're a guest, but you can only post to it. And in the future, as we go forward, there'll be certain forums that only members can actually post to. So when I'm in here, if I want to tap on a forum, this is the actual forum. So I want to go to announcements. I can see all the posts that are here. And if I want to see what's unread, I can come over here and tap on read, and I can see all the things that have not been responded to. So if I want to tap on this one, share your room box here, I can see that Rachel here is also the admin. She's got a star. She's got all of her stuff in here, photos. So if I want to reply to her or like something, I can tap like if I like it. Or I can hit a reply and come down here and reply to this. If I want to tag Rachel, there's her @ right there. I can copy that and do like this, and it would notify her that I replied to her. We love these so much, right? And then I can hit add reply. I can also hit subscribe to topic if I want to make sure that I get notified when somebody replies to things on this particular post. So that's really helpful if you created a post. Say you're like, I need ideas for a front door. And always people might start posting on there and you want to know when they do. That's what you would do that for. So if you want to add a photo, you'd start up by going to attach files. Now our file limits are a certain size, so you have to watch that. So I'm gonna go ahead and just do my logo here. So the max is 256 megabytes and it'll post it in there. And you can post up to, I think, 5 images in here. I'm not positive. But you can also tap on My Media and see any pictures you've uploaded already and add it again to another post if you wanted. So once you're all happy, you would hit add reply. And there's my reply right there. You can also quote somebody. So if, say, you wanted to hit quote, and quote would come in here and quote her particular thing. So everything makes it really, really easy. So say I wanted to create a brand new one. If I go into, say, miniature talk, and I'm under front porch, and I want to create a new topic, I would tap on add topic, go ahead and enter my title, look at my new barn lights. These were 3D modeled and super fun to make. Add my pictures. I can come in here and type in some tags. So maybe like lighting, exterior, 3D printing maybe, and then hit add topic. And what that does is goes ahead and adds a new post there, and it's ready to go. And then if you'd like to go to activity and see other activity on your post, you can come in here and see these are some of the posts I've actually, replied to, etc. It's kind of fun. A lot of different things you can do here. You can also go into members and see the members here in the forum. And I believe you could tap on this button and go in and see them here as well. Now we're working on some new features, but we need more participation. So we can add more features to the forums, like maybe private messaging and that sort of thing. But until we see more activity, it's just not going to be up there until then. If I want to log out, all I do is tap on log out, and now I'm logged out. I can read things, but I can't post to them. So if I tap on here, there is no way for me to come in here and post. I have to log in or register in order to reply to that topic. So that is the cafe. It's a lot of fun, guys. There's a lot of good information and pictures that people are sharing. So hopefully everybody gets involved. The more you get in here and share, the more we get to add to this feature and get lots of great things. So say you have questions or you need advice, this is the best way to do it. All right, this is a fun feature with the cafe. Can't wait to launch some more things with you.